How to fix Valorant download stuck on 0.1 KB per second and slow downloading. For this first step, restart the Riot client, close the Riot client completely, open up Task Manager and all Riot client process, scroll down and check it and end the task. Next step, allow Riot client through Windows Firewall, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it, click allow an app, click change settings, scroll down and search for Riot client. Enable both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the Riot client itself not having means click allow another app, click browse, go to C drive, Riot games, Riot client, you get application, add it. Once adding after you need to check you should enable in both private and public. I already have so I skip it. You need to click add and click OK in the bottom side. And the next step, search for CMD, right click it, click run as administrative and type the following text. ipconfig space slash plus DNS, click enter. Next command netsh space winsock space reset, click enter. Next command netsh space int space IP space reset, click enter. At last exit it. Come to next step, go to settings, click system settings, scroll down, search for storage settings, click it and wait for some times. It's loading right now. Once the loading complete after, we can open up the temporary files, click it and check the files you need to remove, check it and click continue. Once removing after, come back and the next step, open up this PC, make sure your C drive have enough memory space, right click it, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Essentially scanning the C drive. Once complete after, it will throw up the message successfully scanned, no error were found. Close it and come to next step, open up settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, network reset and reset your network. Click yes and reset it. Thank you.